Hello friends, Vandana here. Though I missed you last week, it's great to be back. So today, let me share one of my favorite dishes here. It's a traditional recipe from the age-old Konkani preparations made with a whole lot of veggies and infused with the goodness of coconuts to complete this enticing, rich, creamy, non-spicy treat. Nothing can beat the classic taste of Valval. This delectable recipe began out of necessity as a way to incorporate many veggies into one's diet without compromising on taste. Though it requires a few steps to complete, the end result is worth the effort. This recipe is filled with flavors which is surely irresistible and feeds the whole family. It becomes a sensational dish when served with hot rice and crispy papadums. Let's not wait anymore. Grab your basket and collect the required things for preparing this nutritious curry. Ash gourd or winter melon or white gourd as you call it, 3 by 4 kg. Pumpkin, half kg. Potatoes, 1 by 4 kg. Taro, 1 by 4 kg. Long beans, 100 grams. Green chilies, 6 numbers. Salt, 2.5 teaspoons. Hing, half teaspoon. Coconut oil, 2 tablespoons. Thick coconut milk, 2 cups. So what we are going to do is simply gather all listed veggies and start cutting the same. So let me start with the red pumpkin first. Remove the inner core and the outer skin of this gorgeous pumpkin, which is low in calories but high in essential vitamins and minerals. They are high in vitamin C, so they are rich immune boosters, and in times like these, it's always good to augment your immunity through the food you consume on a daily basis. So start cutting them into thin cubes as shown here. Trust me, this is the brilliant way to get all the veggies into your family's diet in one go. So after cutting, put those into the bowl filled with water. We'll be washing them again before cooking. Next, we have ash gourd here. It is also known in some parts as winter melon or simply white pumpkin. We will first remove the outer skin and then the inner core. Most of us simply discard the peel and the core, but I'll share an amazing sustainable cooking recipe on my channel very soon using the very same peel and core filled with the seeds that we usually throw away. We need to remove the seeds and pulp completely before slicing them into thin cubes. Ash gourd helps to promote digestion and prevents ulcers. So transfer the cubes into a bowl. Next, we have our potatoes, which has a captivating earthy aroma. We can use a peeler to remove the skin, and after cutting them, immediately put them in water to prevent them from turning brown. Next, we have the taro tubers. They give a smooth overlay for the dish and they also help to give a rich texture also. Always go for the fresh taro tubers which are firm and are free from any soft patches or mold. When you cut them, they should be juicy and fresh. One more tip, we need to take the same quantity of taro and potatoes for this recipe. If your little ones are too fussy to eat vegetables, this is the best recipe to slide in some extra nutrition into their diet. Let's start making this tempting creamy dish. Keep a thick bottom pan and add green chilies to it. I have added 6 chilies. If you want the dish to be more spicy, feel free to add 1 or 2 more. Then add the cut long beans, taro, potatoes and salt, as they take the maximum amount of time to get cooked. Add 2 cups of water, mix well and let it cook for 10 minutes on a low flame covered with a lid. Once it is semi-cooked, it's time to add the cut pumpkin. Again, cover and cook for 10 minutes. Finally, add the ash gourd, and one more tip from my side, always cook on a low flame. Otherwise, you are sure to burn the taro as it literally sticks to the bottom of the pot or pan. Cover and cook until all the veggies are cooked properly. It took precisely 30 minutes for me. Do keep a watch. When everything is done, add the coconut milk. I have added 2 full coconuts milk here. You may reduce or increase the amount according to your likings. You may choose to go for instant coconut milk too. If you are doing so, add 8 to 10 tablespoons of the same or adjust according to your taste. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes. Remove the lid and add hing. Switch off the flame and drizzle lots of coconut oil. Mix well. The aroma is surely breathtaking. We are good to dive into this rich, creamy dish now. Hope you enjoyed this exciting recipe, and I'm sure you will not forget to subscribe to my channel with the bell icon on to get notifications of all my latest uploads. Life is too short, so enjoy every bit of it. Wish you a wonderful cooking experience. See you soon. Bye-bye.